Welcome to SAM Official Tech. In today's fast-paced world, machines are the driving force behind growth in almost every industry. From agriculture to healthcare, machines help us scale our work, increase productivity, and improve efficiency. In this video, we'll explore 17 ways machines are making a difference, helping businesses and individuals grow and thrive. Stay tuned as we delve into these incredible innovations. Automation is revolutionizing the manufacturing sector by replacing manual labor with machines that can operate tirelessly and with greater precision. Automated production lines increase output while reducing human error, allowing businesses to grow and compete on a global scale. With advancements in robotics and AI, factories can now produce goods at an unprecedented pace, ensuring businesses can meet growing demand. Agriculture has been transformed by machinery, from GPS-guided tractors to automated irrigation systems. These machines enable farmers to cultivate more land, plant more crops, and harvest efficiently. The use of drones for field monitoring and soil analysis ensures that crops receive the care they need, ultimately improving yields and allowing agricultural businesses to expand. In the construction industry, machines like bulldozers, cranes, and excavators are indispensable. They enable faster completion of tasks, reduce labor costs, and increase precision. By using modern construction machinery, builders can complete projects on schedule and take on more work, driving growth in the sector. Medical machines such as MRI scanners, robotic surgical tools, and diagnostic devices have transformed healthcare. These technologies provide more accurate diagnoses, minimally invasive surgeries, and faster recovery times. As healthcare providers rely more on machines, they can treat more patients and expand their services, improving overall patient care and operational efficiency. Automated machines are key to efficient warehousing and logistics operations. Robotic systems that sort, pack, and transport goods help reduce manual labor, speed up processes, and ensure accuracy. With such machines, companies can manage larger inventories and meet customer demands more effectively, enabling them to scale their operations. The energy sector is benefiting from machines that help harness renewable energy. Solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric generators provide sustainable energy solutions for businesses. By investing in these machines, companies can reduce operational costs and ensure long-term growth while minimizing their environmental footprint. Retail machines such as self-checkout kiosks, inventory robots, and AI-powered recommendation systems are transforming the shopping experience. These innovations reduce wait times, increase efficiency, and provide personalized shopping experiences. Retailers can enhance customer satisfaction, leading to increased sales and business growth. Machines are revolutionizing transportation, making it easier to move goods quickly and efficiently. Advanced shipping systems, automated delivery drones, and electric vehicles reduce costs and increase speed, allowing companies to meet customer demands in real time and access new markets for growth. Machines and smart devices in the office help automate routine tasks, reducing the workload for employees. Automated scheduling systems, document management tools, and virtual assistants allow teams to focus on more critical tasks, increasing overall productivity and enabling businesses to grow without overburdening their staff. In the mining industry, machines are crucial for safe and efficient resource extraction. Advanced mining machinery reduces the need for manual labor in dangerous environments, ensuring worker safety while increasing the speed and volume of materials extracted. This allows mining companies to grow sustainably. The food industry relies on machines to maintain high levels of consistency and speed in processing. Automated production lines ensure that food is processed and packaged uniformly, reducing waste and improving quality control. This enables companies to handle larger volumes and meet consumer demand more effectively. Machines are the backbone of the telecommunications industry. With advancements in network equipment and AI-driven infrastructure, companies can offer faster and more reliable services. The expansion of 5G technology, in particular, is allowing businesses to operate more efficiently and reach new customers across the globe. In education, machines like smart boards, tablets, and online learning platforms have made learning more interactive and accessible. These technologies help teachers deliver lessons more effectively and enable students to engage with material in new ways, expanding the reach and impact of educational institutions. Machines in the entertainment industry, such as high-tech cameras, editing software, and CGI tools, are pushing creative boundaries. Filmmakers, musicians, and game developers can now create more complex and visually stunning projects. This technology allows the entertainment industry to grow by attracting larger audiences and improving production quality. Machines are transforming the banking industry with automated systems that streamline transactions, reduce paperwork, and improve customer service. ATMs, online banking platforms, and AI-driven investment tools make financial services more efficient, allowing banks and fintech companies to grow by offering quicker, more convenient solutions. Robotic machines are increasingly being used in retail stores to manage inventory, clean floors, and assist customers. These machines reduce labor costs and improve efficiency, allowing retailers to operate more stores or expand their product offerings without significantly increasing overhead. As healthcare providers rely more on machines, they can treat more patients and expand their services, improving overall patient care and operational efficiency. Automated machines are key to efficient warehousing and logistics operations. Robotic systems that sort, pack, and transport goods help reduce manual labor, speed up processes, and ensure accuracy. With such machines, companies can manage larger inventories and meet customer demands more effectively, enabling them to scale their operations. The energy sector is benefiting from machines that help harness renewable energy. Solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric generators provide sustainable energy solutions for businesses. By investing in these machines, companies can reduce operational costs and ensure long-term growth while minimizing their environmental footprint. Retail machines such as self-checkout kiosks, inventory robots, and AI-powered recommendation systems are transforming the shopping experience. Recycling machines help businesses become more sustainable by automating waste sorting and processing. Advanced machinery in recycling plants can sort materials more efficiently and process larger volumes of waste. This not only supports environmental sustainability but also helps companies reduce disposal costs and promote growth through eco-friendly practices. Thank you for watching this video on how machines help us grow our work, brought to you by Sam Official Tech. From manufacturing to retail, healthcare, and beyond, machines are essential for increasing efficiency and productivity. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on how technology is shaping the future of industries worldwide. See you in the next video.